In today's video, we're counting down the top 3 most rare and valuable Kennedy half dollars ever discovered, from secret silver transition errors to shocking double dies and even coins struck on the wrong planchets that should have never existed. Some of these half dollars have sold for jaw-dropping prices, up to 6 or 7 figures at auction, so before you toss away that old 50-cent piece, stick around. Because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which old and dirty Kennedy half dollars could make you rich beyond imagination. Sparkles. Well, what if I told you that one of the most ordinary-looking coins from your pocket change, a 1965 Kennedy half dollar, might just be one of the most valuable and mysterious error coins ever struck by the U.S. Mint? Stick around till the end, because we're about to uncover how this unassuming 50-cent piece, the 1965 Kennedy half dollar, became a legend among collectors. We'll reveal the shocking minting mistakes, the rare varieties, and the jaw-dropping auction prices that have sent coin collectors into a frenzy. The birth of the Kennedy half dollar. After President John F. Kennedy was assassinated on November 22, 1963, the entire nation mourned. Americans wanted a way to honor their beloved leader, and quickly, within just a few weeks, officials at the U.S. Mint decided to redesign the half-dollar coin. By early 1964, sculptors Gilroy Roberts and Frank Gasparo created the now famous design. The rare 1965 error varieties, 1965 silver transitional error struck on a 90% silver planchet, money bag values, circulated examples, $5,000, $10,000 high grade certified examples. MS65 and above $20,000, $50,000 plus if a pristine example were ever found in proof-like condition. It could easily top $100,000 or more. 1965 clad transitional error struck on a 1964 D quarter planchet, money bag values, depending on the severity and visibility of the error, they can bring anywhere from $3,000 to $20,1965 double die obverse, DDO, and double die reverse, DDR, money bag values. Minor doubling, $100, $300 strong doubling, especially on Kennedy's profile $1,000, $5,000 plus 1965 missing clad layer error, values, depending on how complete the missing layer is, these can sell for $500 to $3,000 or more. 1965 off-center strike error, money bag values, slight off-center, $100, $25025, 50% off-center with visible date, $1,000, $5,000 plus 1965 proof-like and SMS strikes, money bag values, regular SMS coins, $20, $100 ultra cameo or proof-like SMS coins. Graded SP68, SP69 $2,000, $10,000 plus, and if you ever find a 1965 half dollar with full proof finish that escaped the mint, that could be a 6-figure rarity worth $100,000 to $500,000 or even more. Record auction prices. In 2020, a 1965 Kennedy half dollar with a transitional 90% silver planchet error sold for nearly $15,000 at auction.in 2022. Another example with proof-like surfaces fetched over $25,000. Rare SMS strikes in high grades, SP68 or SP69, have hit $10,000, $15,000. And experts believe that an unreported, near-perfect 1965 silver proof error could one day command over $1 million, if ever discovered. That's right, a half dollar that cost 50 cents to make could become $1 million. How to identify a valuable 1965 half. So, how can you tell if your 1965 Kennedy half dollar is special? Here's what to look for. Check the weight. Standard 40% silver coin equals around 11.5 grams. 90% silver error equals closer to 12.5 grams. Listen to the sound. A pure silver coin gives a clear, ringing tone when gently dropped on a table, while the 40% silver version sounds duller. Inspect the edges. If you see a solid silver edge with no copper line, that's a possible silver planchet error. Use magnification. Check for doubling, off-centering, or missing clad layers. Send it for grading. If you think you have something special, send it to a reputable grading company like PCGS, NGC, or ANAX for authentication. Yes, that's right. The 1967 Kennedy half-dollar might look ordinary, but hidden among them are a few rare errors and varieties so valuable, they've sold for thousands, even hundreds of thousands of dollars, and experts believe that one perfect specimen could someday cross the $1 million mark. In this video, we'll reveal how this coin came to exist during one of the most unusual times in U.S. mint history. When silver was vanishing from circulation, mint marks were disappearing, and mysterious mistakes were being struck in secret. The story behind the Kennedy half-dollar. To understand why the 1967 half-dollar is so fascinating, we need to go back to the beginning 1964. After the tragic assassination of President John F. Kennedy in November 1963, America was heartbroken. To honor his memory, the U.S. Mint made a historic decision. The half-dollar would carry Kennedy's image. By early 1964, the Kennedy half-dollar was released, made of 90% silver, and Americans immediately fell in love with it. The most valuable 1967 era varieties. The 1967 silver transitional era struck on a 1964 planchet. Money bag values. Circulated examples: $5,000, $10,000. Uncirculated examples: $15,000. $40,000 plus gem quality certified pieces, over $100,000. If one were ever found in proof-like condition, it could easily break the $1 million mark, making it one of the rarest modern U.S. coins ever discovered. The 1967 wrong planchet error. Money bag values. Minor wrong planchet strikes: $1,000, $5,000. Major errors: quarter planchets, foreign planchets: $10,000, $25,000 plus one certified example sold at auction for nearly $18,000, and experts say rarer combinations could be worth far more. The 1967 double die obverse, DDO, and double die reverse, DDR, money bag values. Light doubling: $100, $300. Strong doubling, especially visible to the naked eye: $2,000, $8,000 plus dramatic doubling examples certified in top condition could fetch $10,000, $20,000. The 1967 missing clad layer error. Money bag values: partial missing layer, $300, $800. Full side missing clad layer, $1,000, $3,000 plus. These are eye-catching coins that sell fast at auctions. The 1967 off-center strike error. Money bag values: slight off-center, 5 to 10%. $100, $300. Major off-center with visible date, $1,000, $5,000 plus. If the coin shows a perfectly visible date and half the design missing, jackpot. The 1967 special mint set, SMS, coins. The hidden gems. Money bag values. Regular SMS 1967 coins, $20, $100. High grade SMS, SP67, SP68, $500, $2,000. Deep cameo or proof-like SMS coins, $5,000, $15,000 plus. And if an actual proof strike were ever discovered, something the mint claims was never made, experts believe it could sell for $500,000 to over $1 million. That's right, a single coin, worth more than a house. Auction records and collector stories, 13 to 1500 hours. Let's look at some real-world numbers that prove how valuable these coins can be. In 2020, a 1967 special mint set Kennedy half-dollar graded SP68 deep cameo sold for $9,987 at auction. In 2022, a stunning wrong planchet error fetched $18,400. A 1967 90% silver transitional error sold for over $15,000, despite being lightly circulated. Even minor double die examples graded MS65 have been selling $1,000 plus. And here's the kicker: experts believe some ultra-rare 1967 errors remain undiscovered, possibly tucked away in mint sets or old coin jars for over 50 years. How to identify a valuable 1967 half-dollar. Now, how can you tell if your 1967 Kennedy half-dollar is valuable? Here's a simple checklist. Check the weight: normal 40% silver coin, 11.5 grams. Transitional 90% silver error, 12.5 grams. Examine the edge. If you see a copper-colored stripe, it's normal. A solid silver edge could mean a 90% silver planchet error. Look closely under magnification, check the lettering, date, and Kennedy's features for doubling, look for off-center designs or missing. Layers, test the sound, drop it gently on a wooden surface, dull, thud equals normal 40% silver clear, ring equals 90% silver error. Get it authenticated. That if it looks unusual, send it to PCGS, NGC, or ANAX for grading. That a certified coin's value skyrockets, sometimes by 10 times or more. In this video, we're diving deep into the incredible story behind the 1971 D Kennedy half dollar, uncovering its rare mint errors, hidden silver strikes, and shocking auction prices that have stunned collectors around the world. Stick with me until the very end, because one of these coins, struck by mistake, recently sold for over $10,000, and others could easily reach 6 or even 7 figures if discovered today. The background of the Kennedy half dollar. To truly appreciate why the 1971 D is so special, we need to go back to 1964, the year the Kennedy half dollar was born. After the assassination of President John F. Kennedy in November 1963, the entire nation grieved. In a moment of unity and remembrance, the U.S. Mint and Congress decided to immortalize Kennedy's image on a coin, the half dollar. The rare 1971 D silver error money bag values, circulated examples, $5,000, $10,000 mint state examples, $12,000, $20,000 plus certified high-grade examples, MS65 or higher $30,000, $50,000 plus if a flawless example is ever found with proof-like surfaces. Experts estimate it could sell for over $100,000, and potentially approach $1 million if multiple examples surface. Other rare 1971 D error varieties money bag values, minor doubling, $100, $300 strong doubling visible without magnification, $1,000, $3,000 plus double die reverse, DDR, money bag values, $500, $2,000 plus depending on clarity and condition. Off-center strike errors, money bag values, slight off-center, 5 to 10%, $150, $300 major off-center, 30 to 50%, with visible date, $1,000 to $5,000 plus missing clad layer error, money bag values, partial layer missing, $500, $500 entire side missing, $2,000 to $4,000 plus wrong planchet strikes, money bag values, depending on the planchet, anywhere from $1,000 to over $10,000 plus. Record-breaking auction sales. In 2019, a verified 1971 D half dollar struck on a 40% silver planchet sold for over $13,000. Another example graded MS65 by PCGS reached $15,275 in a heritage auction. Experts estimate that fewer than a dozen examples of this silver error exist, and if a perfect, proof-like or uncirculated specimen ever surfaced, coin experts predict it could easily break the $100,000 barrier, or even hit $1 million if confirmed as unique. The 1971 D silver transitional half is, without question, one of the holy grails of modern U.S. numismatics. How to identify and authenticate your 1971. Think you might have a valuable one? Here's how to find out. Weigh the coin. Use a digital scale accurate to 0.01 grams. If it weighs 11.50 g or more, it could be silver. Examine the edge. A solid silver color with no visible copper band equals potential silver planchet error. Do the sound test. A silver coin rings clearly, a clad coin sounds dull. Inspect under magnification. Look for doubling on Liberty or In God We Trust. Get it professionally graded. Send it to PCGS, NGC, or ANAX for authentication. Graded coins sell for far higher prices, and having certification can make the difference between a $20 coin and a $20,000 treasure.